Fellow Jeepers and likers of cool stuff, got a quick video here for you. So, at the local Home Depot, cruising around, killing some time in a local man store, and came across these Milwaukee Packout boxes. And immediately I start to think, how can I adapt these to my Jeep? So, pretty modular system here. You can look all about them all over the internet, but what I haven't seen yet is a video on adapting these to a Jeep. So, with these containers, you can tell I went a little crazy here, but here's how I adapted her to my rig. Now, I got a Genrite full roll cage in mine. So I had a nice little rectangular space, as you see right there, to mount these things to. But went online on eBay, and this guy was selling these racks here they made out of 16 gauge steel. And I decided to mount it to a piece of 1/4 inch 6061 aluminum I had laying around, diamond plate. And just took some U-bolts, popped her on there. It's pretty cool, and here's how she works. So I got a couple different setups. I like to go wheeling, like to ride dirt bikes, and then up there I got some RC crawlers. So I can have a setup for every one and just quickly interchange them. So if I wanted to go for my wheeling setup, pretty much just grab my tools here. So this here is what I would call my wheeling configuration. So I got most of my tools in here. Real easy to get to. This one's got a couple extra U-joints in it, some valve stem cores, emergency valve stems in case I shear one off on a rock. I just happen to have a metric and standard deep well socket set in here. Quickly pull off. You can kind of see how they work. You get the pockets on the lid there. Lock in with these tabs, and then you have a button that releases. Spring loaded. Then inside of here, I have my all my recovery gear. So I got a tree saver, I got a snatch block, a couple shackles, toe strap, gloves, things like that. That's just as simple as it goes on like that. So, what all I have in here right now, I used to have in here. So I had two of these PRP tool bags, and then this pretty nifty can here. Looks like a gas can, but it's really a toolbox. Used to be on the back of my YJ, but it's starting to rust and whatnot. And that stuff's cool and all. I think it's cool as this, in my opinion. So, not only do I have all that, but I want to go out there and wheel all day. Check this out. Got my cooler right there, locks in place. So now, if I'm bouncing around all over down the trails, having to roll my Jeep over, I'm not going to get knocked out by a free toolbox. They're all good mounted. So, she might rattle a bit. I haven't tested it yet on the trail. I'm driving down the highway. It's really not that bad. I run over some semi-rough roads. You get a little bit of the sockets kind of beating back and forth in here, but you could put some foam on that if you wanted to. Just a real thin layer of foam or whatever. Even Walmart bags or something would work. But that's the wheeling configuration. Still maintain full functionality, and there's some other cool stuff here. Seats can still go forward. And there's also room back here to put some more pack outs. So if you're camping or whatnot, you keep some food back there or whatever the hell you want to. Oh, both the seats still go down. Obviously this isn't quite finished. I just ordered another rack for this one, so it'll mount up like that. And then this one has to mount as well. But same concept. I just got some stainless steel U-bolts holding it on. Hey y'all, check out this configuration. Lots of room to work. Extra stuff, camping stuff, whatever. Take this out. It's even better. Bamses. Another awesome thing, if you're overlanding or wheeling, this is wedged in here pretty good. So it's minimal rattling. This is why I wanted a soft cooler. I mean, we're fully closed. She's in there good. So it's quite a bit of weight in this thing and these back here, but they're also supported by this touching the deck down here and the cooler. So everything is nice and snug. I think it's probably gonna be one of my favorites. If you really want to get crazy with it, you can fit all this stuff back here. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A crate, and there's one underneath it. 9. You can stack those even higher if you wanted to. Keep in mind, that's also with a 10-inch subwoofer mounted in the back. So, lots of combinations, lots of possibilities. You see the name of the game, Packout System. It's pretty dang cool if you'd adapt to your Jeep. Now, realize stock Jeeps don't have this crossbar in here. Run across, nor do they have this bar either. But what you could do to adapt it, you could use your side rails here, just like some of the shelving systems do. Piece of angle iron, run a tube across. You can run it up and over as high as you want it. You can go up to here if you want to the other side, and you could build off of that. So it can be done. But just want to share my little thing here with y'all. Hope you like it.